Are the taxes ADP says it's paying matching what's in your bank account and general ledger? Regular reconciliation catches errors early. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Each pay period, after payroll is processed, run the tax liability report. This shows the total employee and employer taxes incurred. Then, run the tax deposit report, or check your bank statements to confirm ADP made the expected withdrawals or payments. Compare the two. They should match. If they don't, investigate which tax agency or pay period has the discrepancy. My crucial pro tip: reconcile monthly, before quarterly filings. Don't wait until the end of the quarter. Reconcile after the last payroll of each month. This makes the quarterly reconciliation tiny and ensures you can fix any ADP or bank errors well before the filing deadline. Proactive reconciliation is the bedrock of payroll tax confidence. Do you reconcile taxes yourself, or does your accountant handle it? For more essential financial control guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.